Welcome back friends. In this tutorial we will learn about new form attributes in HTML5. First of all, we will see what's new inside form attributes and then have a practical look at it. HTML5 has several new attributes for form and input. Form defines an HTML form for user input and input defines an input control. New attributes for form are autocomplete and noValidate. Autocomplete stands for auto-completing an input tag and noValidate stands for not validating the data when the form is submitted. There are also new attributes for input tag. They are autofocus. Then comes the pattern. Pattern stands for regular expression. We must provide a regular expression against which our input is validated. Then comes placeholder and step. Now let us see the practical example all of these tags. So here is the coding. First is autofocus example. So inside the input type text we are providing autofocus is equal to true. That is autofocus is equal to autofocus. So when the page is first loaded, this input type will automatically get the focus. Then there is placeholder. Placeholder stands for any of the helping message that lets the user know what has to be typed into that user input. Here we are providing with last name as the placeholder. Then comes the required tag. When user submits the form and in case if he forgets to fill in the field, an error message will be displayed. Then there is step tag. It is used to increase or decrease in the multiple of that step. Here step is given 3. The user will be given the chance to either input 6, 9, 12 and so on. Then there is a min and max tag. It defines upper and lower bound for the input type. So let's see what happens when we preview the script into our browser. So this is the output when we preview the script in our browser. As you have noticed that the first name input tag has automatically gained the focus. Then there is placeholder. It gives the helping message of last name. Then there is required tag. Now if we submit the page without filling in the username, it will give us an error message. Here it gives the error message that please fill out this field. Next is the step tag. As we have defined step as 3, it will give us the freedom to input 3, 6, 9 and so on. Last is min and max. The upper bound is 5 and lower bound is 1. So one will be able to input maximum 5 and minimum 1. So here. So that was the practical example of new form attributes in HTML5. Thank you.